Callaloo Carnival Club presents How to Make a Mer-tutu by Callaloo Carnival Arts UK. What you will need: a 1 metre by 5 centimetre length of stretchy fabric. You could recycle an old t-shirt or use a piece of elastic or ribbon. Scraps of fabric in suitable colours. Use net, voile, silk, ribbon or any other lightweight fabrics. Measuring tape, scissors. Measure the distance from your waist, above your hip bone, to just above your knee. Double this measurement to get the length of your fabric strips. Gather scraps of fabric in ocean colours. Don't worry about ironing the fabric. The tutu will work better if the fabric is creased. Cut your fabric into strips about 10 centimetres wide. Your fabric strips can be overlocked or zigzag stitched if you have an adult who can do this for you using an overlocker or sewing machine. Tie each end of the stretch fabric waistband to a large frame or a chair back. Snip small holes in the waistband fabric 2 centimetres apart. Make a loop in the middle of each fabric strip. Thread or push this loop through one of the snipped holes in the waistband. Feed the ends of the fabric through the loop and secure them to make a knot. Repeat this step for each hole in the waistband until you have completed your Mer-tutu. Callaloo Carnival Club Mer-tutu tutorial was produced by Callaloo Carnival Arts, working in partnership with Kirklees Council Learning and Early Support.